أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا بني إسرائيل اذكروا نعمتي التي أنعمت عليكم وأوفوا بأهدي أوفي بأهدكم وَإِيَّايَ فَارْهَبُونَ. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I recited ayat number 40 of Surah Baqarah. In this ayat, Allah tells us about the blessings and favor that Allah bestowed to the children of Bani Israel. Bani Israel means Yaqub alayhi salam, the generation of Yaqub alayhi salam. What favor Allah has given to those one. So Allah is telling us about that one and the promise that they have done with Allah. And Allah said, you will fulfill your promise, I will fulfill my promise that I have done with you. And you must fear from me only. Okay, we read now. Allah said, Ya Bani, Ya Bani, O Bani mean children, generation. Ya Bani, O generation of Israel. Israel is the name of Yaqub alayhi salam. So Yaqub alayhi salam, this name Israel is from the language that was spoken by Isa alayhi salam, the Suryani language. So that is from that language. Isra mean the slave. Il mean Allah. Israel, slave of Allah. So we call in Arabic Abdullah. Abdullah means slave of Allah. So this was the name of Yaqub alayhi salam. So some people say that it was the title of Yaqub alayhi salam, but some people say it was the name of Yaqub alayhi salam. But Allah knows better. So, but this was also the name of Yaqub alayhi salam. So this way Allah said, Ya Bani Israila, O children of Yaqub alayhi salam, O generation of Yaqub alayhi salam. So if you look Yaqub alayhi salam, he was the son of Ishaq alayhi salam, and Ishaq alayhi salam was the son of Ibrahim alayhi salam. So this all you can see all the prophets up to Isa alayhi salam, they are the generation or the children of Yaqub alayhi salam. And you can see the blessings of Allah, what Allah has done on those people. That is the guidance. Allah sends thousands of prophets to guide the children of Yaqub alayhi salam. And Allah sent down to them the books, including these three books, the Psalm, Torah, and Bible, to them also. So you can see how much blessings Allah have done on those people. So this way Allah said, Ya Bani Israel lazkuru, O generation of Yaqub alayhi salam, O children of Yaqub alayhi salam, lazkuru, remember nemati, my nemat, my favor, my blessings, allati, which an'amtu, I bestowed, I have done, alaykum, upon you. So that the blessings that I have done upon you, remember those one. So there are too many blessings Allah has done on them. The first I told you, like the blessings, they got the books of Allah, Psalm, Torah, Bible, and also thousands of prophets came to them to guide them. So these are the guidance is the greatest blessings of Allah upon them. And then you can see the generation of Yaqub alayhi salam when they were with Musa alayhi salam, and there was in they were living in the Egypt and the area near there. So because that was Africa, and it was hot sunshine, and they requested Musa alayhi salam request Allah, so Allah make the atmosphere cloudy so they can enjoy like nice weather. So then Musa alayhi salam requested, and whenever and wherever, so those people they went, the clouds were upon their head, and just giving them shade, and there was no sunshine heat, so they were feeling comfortable walking and easy movement. So that was the greatest blessings of Allah. And you can see once when these people they were thirsty, they requested Musa alayhi salam, and Musa alayhi salam hit the stone with his stick, and the 12 fountains they come out with the nice water. And because there were 12 tribes, every tribe selected one fountain for water requirement. So this was other blessings of Allah. And when these people were so much hungry, and they said, we request Allah, Allah gave us food. Musa alayhi salam requested, and man salwa, the food that came to them from Allah. So that is the other thing, other blessings of Allah. You can see even these people when they were having the clothes we are, look, the we people, we are just to wash them because from our body the sweating and it becomes sometimes smell, so these becomes dirty. But those people with the help, with the blessings of Allah, and those people their clothes they were not becoming dirty, even no sweating, even the smell was nice, and the clothes were evergreen, clean and nice, so no need to wash them. So this was the other blessings. So you can see so many blessings Allah have done upon those people. So this way Allah said, remember the blessings are the favor that I have bestowed upon you. You remember that one. Ya Bani, O Ya Bani Israel, lazkuru nemati allati an amto alaikum. Allah said, Ya Bani Israel, O children of Israel, Lazkuru, remember, Nemati, my favor, my blessings, Allati, which An'amtu, I bestowed alaikum upon you. You remember these blessings, what I have done upon you. Then Allah said, next, Awfu, and fulfill, bi ahdi, the promise you have done with me. So you have to fulfill that one. What was the promise they have done with Allah? The promise was they will worship only Allah. The promise they will just respect and regard to their parents and to their relatives, and they will also fulfill the rights of the orphans, and they will set up their establish their prayers, salah, and they pay zakat. So these type of promises were done. And also the big promise that is also mentioned in Surah Maida, that the prophets that will come after them they will believe on that one. And even the last prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, about him is the too many ayat in Torah and Bible, and this it was promised that we will, when we will find that prophet, we will believe on that prophet and also help that one, and also then we will get the guidance from the book that will come to that prophet. So these were the promises were done by the children of Israel, like Bani Israel. So Bani Israel, who are Bani Israel? These are the Jews and Christian, and all those people who follow the book, followers of the books, like followers of Bible, followers of Torah. So all these people who are like now Christian or Jews, so these are Bani Israel. So Allah address is to them, because Christian and Jews, they will stay up to the day of judgment. Holy Quran is up to the day of judgment, is full guidance for everyone. So this is the address of Allah to those people who are Christian or Jews. Allah said, you have to remember what type of blessings I have done upon you, and you have to fulfill your promises, your covenant, what you have done with me. But then I will fulfill. Ufi bi ahdikum. Ufi, I will fulfill. Ufi, I will fulfill bi ahdikum, the promises that I have done with you. So what is the promise of Allah with them? So that Allah will give the blessings, the greatest status in the whole world, and then Allah will send them to paradise. So this was the promise. Allah said, I will promise, I will fulfill the promise what I have done with you. You must fulfill the promise what you have done with me. So you can see the promises what they have done with Allah. So they were not to fulfill the promise that they have done with Allah. So this is the thing here. Allah said to them, "Wa ijaya, wa ijaya." Ija mean only, alone, like it comes in Surah Fatiha, like Allah said, wa iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Wa iyya mean like only one, only, alone. Wa iyaya, and alone to me, farhabun, you must fear. You must frighten from me only. You are not to have a fear of any other person. You must have a fear of me only. So this is, the like Rasul Hikmata Makhafatullah. So the base of the hikmah is just hidden in the fear of Allah. So when a person has fear of Allah, then taqwa comes in the person, and person becomes near to Allah, a purified, nice, pious person. So Allah's fear, it makes a person to be away from bad things, and like bad deeds, and Allah makes a person in the group of purified people, nice people, so away from all those things which Allah has forbidden. So this way, and also here, because those people who were from Bani Israel, and the scholars of those people, and they were just to change the verses of Torah and Bible, because of the other people who were influential people. So they were just to change and giving them fatwa or recommendation according to their requirement. So leaving the real message that was in their books. So they used their own mind just to favor the people, ignoring the real message that was present in in their books. So that is the things. This way Allah said that you are the people, if you fulfill the promise, and you will I will fulfill promise, and you if you have only the fear of me, then you will be good person. You possibly you will cover the sharia, and you will also be nice people in my eyes. So this way fear of Allah is the main thing. So they ignored it, and they were just to have the fear of the people who were influential. This way they changed their real message just in favor of those people. They made amendment in the books of Allah. So this was the thing which has been done by Christian and Jews. and all those people who are called Bani Israel and the generation of Yaqub alayhi salam. So this way the message of Allah is up to the day of judgment. If anyone from them come to Islam, accept Islam, and then understand Holy Quran and under the Sharia of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and then Alhamdulillah, so those people, they will be with blessed the paradise also, and nice status, the greatest status in this world also, inshallah.